I don't feel that I deserve the sunshine's rays. The darkness helped until the whiskey wore away. And it was then I realized a conscience never fades. When you're young, you have this image of the light. You'd be scrupulous and one day even make a right. You make boundaries and never dream to pass. And if I happen to wake completely lost, that I will find you. Be sure that I will find until we're special too. Once again, and we would only need each other. We'll breathe together. Our hands will not be told to hold another, but we're the special two. And we could only see each other. We'll breathe together. Our hands will not be told to hold another, special too. I remember someone old and said to me that lies will lock you up, the truth you're only key. I was comfortable and warm inside my shell. Couldn't see this place would soon become my hell. So is it better to tell the truth than lie to save your face? Well, I guess the answer is don't do it in the first place. I know I'm not deserving trust you right now, but if I chance you change your mind, no, I will never let you down, 'cause we're the special two. And we'll begin, and we would only see each other. We'll breathe together. Our hands will not be told to hold another, but we're the special two. We could only see each other. We'll breathe together. Our hands will not be told to hold another, but we're the special two. I step outside my mind's eyes for a minute, and I look over me like a doctor looking for disease, or something that could ease the pain. Nothing cures to help you, so bring it by yourself. Just remembering